The joints on this, these are all made with a staple. I pushed a staple through the knee joint, and then I trapped the staple inside the joint with these little dots of paper. And the funny thing about it is gluing it on there, those little dots of paper turned out to be the perfect way to hold those staples in place. I use staples, straightened out staples, to make the little ear guns. But I highly suggest making micro machines first, because the micro machines will teach you how to use paper to build with. And staples and paper clips and bendy wire, all kinds of cool stuff that you can build things with. I have been collecting greebles for 16 years. I have a huge number of greebles, which means I can build some stuff completely different than a lot of other people, because I have all kinds of extra stuff to work with. No, these tracks do not move. I could not figure out at this point in time, which was like 2011, how in the world, and I thought about it. I thought about how to make them tracks roll. You just can't do it. It's too small. At least with the technology I had 16 years ago, 15 years ago, whatever, I couldn't do it. Today, I don't believe I could do it today. Particle board is made for homes and building houses and dog houses, things like that. It is an epoxy grade glue that's mixed with wood chips and then pressed together. That's particle board. Chipboard is different. Chipboard is how you make all your greeting cards and art board, paper board. That's chipboard. This is what this stuff is. Okay, and I build this stuff because, first off, it's free. I don't have to hunt building material. I got it in my kitchen, and so it's a super inexpensive hobby, and that's why I use chipboard. But anyway, there is a hinge. You can see I made this the other day, and see that? It twisted. But it doesn't matter. If this hinge is going to be in, say, a door jamb, this disappears. The paper is glued on both sides of this, and it disappears just like that. This part goes in the door. You know, you might want to make a car door or something. Here's how you make hinges for it. And you can make these things incredibly small. All right.